What's up, everybody? It's Zulema 2.0 back again with another video. I'm going to be cooking for you guys today. I'm going to be making a tofu hash, which I have like 3 times a week. And I've been asked so many times through Instagram, how do you make this? How do you make this? How do you make this? So I just decided to pick up the camera. It's not going to be like any formal walking you through it. Well, kind of walking you through it, but not like 1 teaspoon of this. I'm just gonna cook and chit chat while I'm cooking, and I'll let you guys know what I'm putting and what I'm doing. But yeah, it's not so like cooking channel-esque. Does that even make sense? Whatever. So really quickly, I just want to go over what I generally use to make the tofu hash. So obviously tofu, extra firm or firm. Never ever get the medium or the soft. It's just not the way to go for this meal. Some hash brown. You can use regular like potatoes and make your own hash. These are pre-made, obviously. Some nutritional yeast, broccoli, onion, pepper, and vegan butter. And then for the seasonings, I'm gonna use some adobo, Cajun, some turmeric, pepper, and obviously the salt. All right, so now that I have that all chopped up, I'm gonna take the vegan butter and I'm just gonna put, you could use olive oil too or any other type of oil. It's just the first thing I grabbed. So I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna put a few little scoops. I'm gonna take the garlic and I'm gonna throw that in there and swish it around. This is what I mean by swooshing it around, just so it melts. And then I'm gonna take this and pour it in. Just swoosh it around some more. Yeah, just let it sit for a little bit. All right, so here's a tofu. A lot of people don't know what it looks like inside of the package. Most tofu comes in water in a package like this, unless it was like vacuum sealed or something like that. This is what it typically would look like. If you're using the entire block, then throw out the water. If you're not going to use the entire thing, like I'm not using the entire thing today. I'm just going to cut like a little sliver right here. And then I'm going to take the remaining tofu and put it in another container with the water so it doesn't go bad. So I'm going to cut about here. There we go. And then I'm just going to cut it in half again, like that, and I'm gonna put it here on a napkin so that it soaks up the water, because you don't want watery tofu. Alright, so now that I took out the water out of all the tofu, I'm just gonna take it with my hands and crush it. Crush it, crush it, crush it. You can leave it really chunky or make it really small. It's all up to you. And then I'm gonna take my hash brown and, oh my God. Boom, there it goes. I'm gonna take a spoon and crush it as well. This is real life. I'm literally a hot mess in the kitchen. So you guys are getting like the real hot mess. Oh my God, it's falling all out of the pan. Anyway, okay, so there's that. So let that sit for like, I don't know, a minute. Okay, so now I'm gonna take some adobo. I'm just gonna, put as much or as little as you want. You can taste as you go, up to you. This is in no specific order. You could do it however you want. Some pepper, take some turmeric. Turmeric is good for like inflammation, you know, all that good stuff. And then I'm gonna take some, what is it? Cajun, because I like a little bit of kick. Oh, that was a lot of a kick. And then finally some salt. And we're gonna take it and mix it away. Honestly, this is like, all you gotta do is really mix it and it's pretty much cooked. This can serve like 2 to 3 people. You can save it for the next day. Like, let's say you're like meal prepping or I don't know, just want to eat it later on in the week. You can always put it in the fridge and you're good to go. I'm a savory breakfast person, so this works perfectly for me. Like, yummy, yummy. Jeez. Anyways, let me grab the camera so you guys can see a close-up of this. This is what it looks like. I add a lot of broccoli because greens, we need our greens. So the more green, the better. If I had more broccoli, I would put in more broccoli in there. If I had spinach, I would have threw spinach in there, asparagus. I've done it all. Get creative. It's so flopping good. Okay, so now I'm just gonna plate some of it or all of it, whatever. All right, there's that. I never realized, well, actually I kind of did. It's so hard to film a cooking video by yourself because you're like, oh, I gotta grab it. Ooh, 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 ooh. Not that you guys care, but it's kind of hard. All right, now it's plated. I'm gonna get close up. I don't know why I'm walking so slow. But look at all that yumminess. So excited. Where's the fork? We're gonna try it. Probably gonna burn myself. Oh my gosh, I forgot to put nutritional yeast. Get that B12. So we go, boom. Yes. All right, I'm gonna try it. Even though I already know what it tastes like. Oh my God. I'm not kidding. This thing right here. This thing right here. I had to gather my thoughts because I'm obnoxious. Guys. Oh my God, this lighting is way better. I wish it was like in the kitchen. Follow me lighting. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. My normal cooking videos are me doing like voiceovers going, and 1 teaspoon of this, you know? And I mean, it's cool, but sometimes I want you guys to see like the real hot mess that I am. And in those videos, you can't really see the real hot mess that I am. I'm a hot mess in the kitchen and I have no issues admitting that. But anyways, if you guys want to see more of this style video or have any ideas of how you want to see my cooking videos, leave it in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And what else can I say? Oh yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys next time.